Sheer determination has kept Amit Kumar moving forward after opening his restaurant a few years ago. Kumar came to Fiji from India in search of a better life for his family, but the journey has not been easy. Felipe Nicaso with tonight's successful Fijian story.
A family visa by his former employer in 2007 was the golden opportunity for Amit Kumar, who fell in love with the country.
Actually, I never been to overseas before, so I tried to explore myself, and I got a family visa. The company Moti Bhai and Company Limited gave me the family visa to come with family, so I came here, and after coming here, I started job with at the airport, and I started liking, and then I thought of let's stay here. So I applied for the Fiji citizenship, and I got it.
Kumar worked in various companies during his first few years here as he wanted to learn about Fiji's culture, the way of life and food. The 42-year-old had the ultimate aim of opening his restaurant, and in 2016 he did just that, opening Mumbai Dhaba in Nandi town.
It has been a dream to own a restaurant since my landing in Fiji 15 years back. I worked day and night to pursue my passion. Finally, I owned one before COVID-19, but it was dashed out due to the economic recession. But I shall continue to work hard to successfully continue my current food outlet, which is Shop and Save food court.
While things got off as planned, Kumar, like many other business owners, were hit hard by the impact of the pandemic. Forced to shut down his business, he tried to open the restaurant elsewhere, but was not successful.
I took the day as it came and tried to take the challenge on its face. Although my second venture for the new restaurant was failure, but I never lost my determination and passion. I worked to achieve my dream. My motivation was my hard work, my family support, employee support, and faith in Supreme God, Kabir.
Determined to live his dream, he finally found this perfect location in Namaka and opened a new restaurant named Chatori Chat.
Tried my best to continue in these difficult conditions. I took a loan from some friends and tried to open another restaurant. I believed in my destiny and hard work. This is improving, and I hope it shall improve in future.
Kumar has two children who attend school in Nandi. His parents and siblings still live in India. He says he has settled well in Fiji. Felipe Nicaso, FBC News.